The James Webb Space Telescope aims to study when the first galaxies were created to learn how they formed, changed, and what they're made of. Every time it looks back in time, it breaks its own record for finding the farthest galaxy. Now, scientists are trying to get research papers because they're trying to collect data to understand the early universe. A team from Denmark believes they've seen some of the very first galaxies with JWST. These galaxies are so old that they might still be forming. Usually, the ratio of galaxies to heavy elements stays the same for the last 12 billion years, but JWST shows that the youngest galaxies look different. They don't have the same ratio of stars to heavy elements because they haven't gone through the stages of star birth and death yet. The study looked at 16 of the earliest galaxies ever found. They discovered that these galaxies have only one-fourth of the chemical elements compared to later galaxies. Astronomers think these findings suggest that these early galaxies are still closely connected to the space between galaxies and keep getting new gas, which makes their metal elements less concentrated. When gravity brought the first clumps of gas together, the first stars and galaxies formed. Caspar Heinz, who led the study, found that these early galaxies have significantly fewer heavy elements than expected based on their size and the number of new stars they produce. This discovery challenges the current idea that galaxies stay balanced over the most of the universe's history, where there is a relationship between how many stars and heavy elements form. The researchers expected this result based on theoretical models and now they have observed it. Heinz said this result gives the first insight into the earliest stages of galaxy formation, which seems more connected to the space between galaxies than previously thought. This is one of the first observations by James Webb on this topic, so scientists are still waiting for larger observations to provide more information. The researchers are confident that JWST will offer more data, providing a clearer understanding of how galaxies and the first structure formed in the first billion years after the Big Bang. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more amazing space videos.